By placing your feet high on the platform, we're going to be focusing on your glutes. So make sure your feet are flat and pressure through your heels. Now, because your feet are so high, it can be a little bit difficult to get into place. So here's going to show you a couple different options. One, I start at the bottom, unlatch the weight, and then move my feet up high. Be careful that you don't lose your feeting. Now, the other option is that you just start it low, get your feet into position, and then unlatch it and press up. Just make sure that you don't hit any of those latches. Most of these machines, you just have to lift the platform up a little bit and then slide the handle out, and it will allow you to move freely. So placing your feet high on the platform, you want your heels about halfway, even maybe a little bit up, depending on how tall you are and your flexibility. If you have any knee pain, you're going to feel that this is most comfortable because your knees are in line with your ankles and you're not putting any extra pressure on your kneecap. If you are feeling any pressure in your knee and it hurts, go ahead and try moving your feet up just a tiny bit more. On all leg exercises, you want to make sure that your knees are not caving in. That means that you're fully engaging your glutes, so make sure that your knees don't come towards each other. Really use your glutes to keep those out. The last but most important part is to not come so low that your low back rounds. This is going to be very bad for your back and can leave you crippled. So you can see here it rounds up off the seat when she goes so low. You want to make sure that you only go low enough that your hips can push the weight without rounding.